Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Life. So, we're kicking off this week with some sewing plans. So, if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. You guys, I am so happy that my sojo is back and that it didn't take long for it to return at all. I think that break in December did me well. I really did. And I'm also happy, yes, guys, that I am starting to go down my goal list and tackle and take care of some business. I am so happy. And this week, yes. We're going to be doing some hacking this week. Yes. Yes. And the pattern that we're going to work on this week, it's from Butterick 6897 and also McCall's 7974. Now, if you've been following me for some time, you would know that McCall's 7974 is one of my all-time favorite pattern. So we're gonna be doing some work this week on the two of these patterns to make one completed outfit. And let me tell you how we're gonna do that. Yes. Now, Butterick 6897, it's a button-down shirt pattern, right? And it comes in different views. So essentially, the shirt has tears to it at the bottom, and the different views, view A, B, and C. The what differs is I would say the length and the sleeve. So view A is sleeveless. It has two tiers, and it has like the last tier is like a high-low kind of hemming going on. View B, it's a long sleeve top, and it has two tiers even all the way around. And view C is a short sleeve, and it has three tiers. Okay, and it hits just at the hips, just as view B as well. Okay, as a matter of fact, view A could hit at the hips as well, but it would be slightly longer because, like I say, it's a high-low hem. And guys, when I first laid eyes on this pattern, I knew immediately that I wanted to turn it into a dress. Yes, I did. And that is what we're going to do this week with this pattern. So the view that I'm going with is view B. Yes. Now, I know you guys are there whispering among yourself asking, how does she intend to fit McCall's 7974 into this pattern? Let me tell you guys, let me tell you. Yes, and I'm so excited. So, actually, how I intend to do it is that I am going to switch out the sleeves. So with my call 7974, it's a dress pattern and it has multiple views. View A is a short sleeve, not short sleeve, yeah, it is a short sleeve, but the sleeve is kind of slightly puffy, just slightly, and it's at knee length for the skirt. View B is the same as view A in terms of length, but it's a long sleeve. And view C, it has a kind of fancy sleeves, and it's just above, below elbow length. So it comes straight to the elbow, and then from the elbow, there's a kind of puffiness that happens there. Absolutely love it. Made it before, love it. And then view C is just a sleeveless. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually take the sleeves from view C, yes, and we're gonna mesh it with view B. That's how we're going to incorporate the two patterns together. And I'm so excited. Now, because I want to make it a dress, I know that I have to lengthen the tiers for view B for Butterwick 6897. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to see the end product. Now I've cut out the pattern already. That's to show you guys how serious I am about this thing. So the pattern has already been cut. It's just waiting to be sewn. And this is the fabric. I'm just going to show you the leftover fabric. This is the fabric that I'm using. It's a Veillant Chalet, and it's a flower print, but the flowers is kind of abstract-ish. I'm not sure what kind of flowers they are, but I absolutely love it. And I purchased this fabric a few years ago from my local fabric store. And I think it was 3 yards that I purchased. At the time, I said I was going to use it for perhaps maybe a wide leg trouser. Oh, no, 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 no. This fabric was destined to be something else. And I found it. And I am so excited about it. So I can't wait to show you guys the end product. Ooh, I'm so happy that I'm starting off with my 2024 sewing goals. So stay tuned for that. And we'll see what sort of shenanigans and all of that jazz that I run into, all right? All right, lovies, that is all that I have today. I hope you enjoyed my sewing plans video and that you will stay tuned for the end results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click that notification bell so you can always be aware of when I'm posting my shenanigans. Yes. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling. And always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies. I'm out of here. Bye.